Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is NENYE'S. So in today's video is going to be a get ready with me / vlog. Today is my cousin's traditional marriage and I'm getting ready for the whole so I'm getting ready for the traditional marriage, and you guys should stay tuned as I take you guys along. Today is going to be the first traditional marriage of the year for me. Like, since this year I've not gone for any traditional marriage, so today is going to be my first, and the year is almost ending. So it's fun, Isha. And yeah, I've really mixed traditional, like going for a traditional marriage. Not that I'm going to dance, so like, but I mixed the whole vibes that comes with traditional marriage, the settings, dancing and all. Like, I've really mixed traditional marriage. And so I just pray I get to enjoy today's because it's a family thing. So let me continue with my eyes. So I don't even know what I'm going to rub on my eyes, but maybe I'll just go for something. I don't even know, I'll figure it out. And this eyeshadow wants to disappoint me today, but I said no, it's not going to work. So I'm trying to figure out something else. Like, man, it's not easy. It's not easy. So I'm using the stippling method. This is my eyeshadow now. Wow, I'm not even understanding you today. Okay. Now I'm almost late for this trad though. So my blush fell off on my body. I'm taking the blush directly from my body and applying it on my face. I can't come and kill myself. So this is the final stage, my powder. Oh my goodness, I can't even tie again. Oh my goodness, like what? How? I can't even tie again. I used to do this before, like some years back. I used to tie myself tie, like I can tie it very well, but right now I can't even do it anymore. Or is it because it's a show, okay? Or I don't know. Because I'm going to carry it like this, or I will better still remove it because I'm tired. I'm already sweating. Chimo. Still laugh. I can't even help myself. I'm still laughing. Let me just try another method, but if I can't do it, I'm going to dress up like that and get going. Finally. So I decided to try this one out. Like, it's not that perfect, but it's manageable. It's time for me to dress up and wear my clothes and get ready. I'm off for one day, all the way. So, and yeah, this is my dress. So, hi guys, I'm ready. Like, this is my get to go look for the day. Delicious one. So let me get going and I'll see you guys shortly.
Alright, DJ, thank you, and Papa, thank you. Keep my other, I will get my other. Who put us up? We're going to get him here. Because I want you to have a simple day. I tell you, you can't burn me, brother. Okay. Get me a booty. You must have one Christ more on top. I just look. Most people are going to you on double. Only for me to be here. How can I have a booty? Mande ABS, mande CNN, mande BBC, yeah. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we are free to do assignment and on go. You will never go to Gogapa. You begin it. You put two more. You look at I to Cocoyam. I think we might be. Okay, Mike. Apugo. Osinagini. Apugo. Opono no there. Mama Genti. Any day, Opoga Apugo. You will never go to be making it. You need to. To say we throw it the ice block. Boy Apugo. There was a part one Apugo. Opoga Apugo na. Opoga Apugo na. Omodia Keu. Apugo na. Just Opoga Apugo to Cocoyam. Now, here microphone, Mama. Here I figure na Boga. From today. Here microphone. Nwanyi. Chiri ka mari for your show guna. This Snapchat watch ya.
Honey.
If you see again, honey, honey, also again, honey. I go with the first letter, which is J. Nkenesi Ogini. Nkenesi Ogini. Nkenesi Ogini. Nkibaza Ogini. And that is Jesus. And I'm going to say I got bossing pass in Egypt. Are you serious? Now you are. But the chief. Why? Oh, why? It will enter. In a second. Why? Just hug or hug will not be all right. He gave this one. Just let's go there. Sanchez.
ENUGU to walk like bamboo. Went to shop na taboo. But when the business go to pay, boys go to chop.
Ada, say hi. Hi. Yeah, hi. So guys, we're back from the trad. Everything went well. The trad went well. Oh, thank God for everything. So we've officially come to the end of this vlog, and if you really enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.